division of fractions. So suppose if we have two chocolates and we have to divide, so these are two chocolates and we have to divide them into halves. How many halves will we get? 1, 2, 3, 4. We will get 4 halves. Similarly, if we have to take out, so how many chocolates are these? 2, and we have, so this was the first case, I'll keeping that here only. So if we have to divide 2 full chocolates into 1/3, how many pieces of 1/3 piece size can we take out? We can take out 1, 2, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3, 6/3. So we can take out of 2 chocolates, how many 1/3 can we take out? We can take out 6 1/3. Similarly, let us take one more example. If again we have, so I'm making 2 chocolates over here, 2 chapatis or chocolates you can say. So if I have again 2 full chocolates and I have to divide these 2 full chocolates into 1/4, what will we get? So dividing 2 chocolates into 1/4 means 1/4, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4. We'll get 4 pieces of 1/4 piece size. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many 1/4 can we take out from 2 full chocolates? We can take out 8 1/4. Okay. So this is visualization for taking out 1/4 and this. Now suppose if we have 2½ chocolate and we have to take out half. How many halves can we take out from 2 full and half chocolate? Let us draw these chocolates over here. 1, 2, 2 full. So we have 1, 2 and a half chocolate. How many chocolates can we take out from it of half piece size? 2, 2 and 1, 5. So we can take out 5 half chocolates from 2 full and half. Now if we have 1/3, how many 1/3 can we take out of it? Obviously 1. I have 1/3 and I have to take out 1/3. How many times can I take out? Only 1 times. Now if I have 2/6 and I have to take out 1/6, I have how many sixths? 2/6. Okay. How many times can I take out 1/6 from it? 1 and 2. So I can take out 1/6 how many times? 2 times. Now look, there is a way. If I have half and I have to divide this half chapati, chocolate, pizza, whatever into 2 people. Okay, I have half chapati. I have to divide this half chapati, chocolate, pizza, whatever you want to imagine, into 2 people. What piece size will each get? So I have to divide half into 2. I have to make 2 equal pieces of it. What piece size is it looking like? They are looking like 1/4 and 2/4. So if we have to distribute half into 2, we need to make its 2 piece size, and we have to find out what piece size is it. This is 1/4 of the piece we are getting after dividing into 2. Each will get 1/4 and 1/4. So what were we doing? We were dividing half into 2. We are dividing half into 2 people. Each will get 1/4 piece size. Now what if I have 1/4 and I have to divide this 1/4 into 1, 2, 3, and I'll be adjusting one more over here, and 4. How much will each get? Now I have to make 1/4 के भी 4 equal pieces. I have to make 1/4 के 4 equal pieces. How will we come to know what piece size is it? Look, in 1/4 there are 4 pieces. In 2/4 there will be 8. In 3/4 there will be 12. In 4/4 there will be 16th. So this is 16th piece size. Now how many 16ths are here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So if we'll divide 1/4 into 4, each will get 1/16th, 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 1/16th. Each will get 1/16th piece size. Now there is a way to solve these all. If what was the first example? That if we have to divide 2 into half, each will get 4. There is a way of doing it. There is a way of doing it. What we do is we just make the reciprocal of it. Reciprocal means to writing it the numerator in place of denominator and denominator in place of numerator, and the sign changes to multiplication. 2 will go up and 1 will come down. So this will be 2 2s are 4, and there is nothing here, so we can put 1. 1 1s are 1, so 1 is 1 only, so we'll write 4. And we were also getting, if we have to divide 2 full chapatis into half, each will get 4 pieces of half piece size. We can visualize it, or we can do it simply in this way also. Next we did, if we have to divide 2 into 1/3, what did I say? How will you solve it? You will change this sign into multiplication. The next number to it will be, ये ऐसा ही रहेगा, इसको नहीं change करेंगे. We'll change only the next number. This will go in place of numerator and this will come down. How many? 6. Let us check again if we are right or not. So there are how many thirds? We can take out 1/3, 2/3, 3/3, 4/3, 5/3 and 6/3. So how many pieces of this size we can take out from 2 chocolates? So these are 2 chocolates. We can take out 6 1/3. So we can do it in either of 2 ways. The next example we have taken is, if we have, so the next number we have taken is 2.5 divided into half. It's little tricky. We know we'll get 5 halves, but how will we do it now? So first step, we'll write the mixed number in improper number. So 2 2s are 4 plus 1, 5 halves. Now it's easy. 5 halves divided into halves. There will be 5 halves, but कैसे निकालेंगे? So we'll keep like this as it is. हम इसको change नहीं करेंगे. 5/2 will be written as it is. This will go. Firstly, we'll change the sign to multiplication sign. Numerator will go in the denominator and denominator will go to the numerator. Now look, 2 will be cancelled out. You have learnt this in reduction. 5 ones. What is left here? 1. Here also what is left? 1. And we'll get 5 halves out of 2.5 chocolates we have. Okay. 2/6 we have discussed. If we'll take out 1/6, how many sixths will we get? 2 pieces of 1/6 piece size. Again, we'll not change this number. This will be kept as it is. We'll write multiplication sign over here. This will be 6 on 1. We'll reduce the same numbers. We'll cancel them out. And this will be 2. Okay. So this is just a mechanical way of solving it. I have told you both. You can use either of the 2. Last and the trickiest, if we have to divide 3.5 into, suppose 3 full and 2/7. अब first step क्या बताया था? You have to write this into improper. So this will be written as 7 halves divided into 7 3s are 21 plus 2, 23/7. What was the next step? You have to write this as it is. You will change it into multiplication sign. You will write 7/23. And what was the next step? You will multiply the numerator to the numerator and the denominator to the denominator. So if we will multiply 7 with 7, what will be the number? 49. And if we will multiply 2 with 23, what will be the number? 46. And further we'll be writing it as mixed fraction again in the simplest form, that is 1 full 3/46. This is the final answer. That's all for today.